Good morning, folks. This is Marcel. This is the Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 11, on its way to Los Angeles. P42 139 leads off. P42 number 139 leads off. 139 got a good P42 horn sound. Alright, this is Coast Starlight, train number 11, headed to Los Angeles. Two P42DC on this one. No ALC 42s. 139 leads off. 139. And 183. Coast Starlight. Train number 11 headed to Los Angeles. On this beautiful Monday morning. Okay, we got 3 coaches in the front, followed by a lounge car. Hello, y'all. Y'all on YouTube. Well, nobody in the lounge car. They're gonna dine a car, one of my favorite. And the coaches, 2 coaches. They might as well have 3 coaches. All right, folks. They got that train going to Los Angeles. You gotta love that beautiful horn on that 139. Alright, folks, thank you for watching. Let's watch this Coast Starlight goes on the coast sub. Alright, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Monday. Good Monday morning. And stay out of trouble. Bye-bye.